Are you ready to set the perfect vibe for your New Year celebration? Imagine walking into a room transformed into a magical wonderland that screams Happy New Year. Want some easy, creative, and budget-friendly ideas to make your backdrop the highlight of the party? Stick around because we're about to dive into 7 stunning New Year backdrop ideas that will wow your guests and make your photos Instagram-worthy. How can I incorporate lights into my New Year backdrop? Lights can transform a simple setup into a dazzling centerpiece. Here's how to incorporate them creatively. 1. Fairy lights. Drape them over curtains, balloons, or streamers. Use them to frame the edges of your backdrop. Opt for warm or multicolored lights based on your theme. 2. LED string lights. Spell out 2024 or Happy New Year with flexible LED strings. Highlight specific areas like banners or photo spots. Use battery-operated ones for convenience. 3. Projection lights. Use a starry night or fireworks projection for a dynamic effect. Sync them with music for an interactive experience. Position them to complement your backdrop without overpowering it. Want more tips like this? Don't forget to check the playlist in the description for similar ideas. How can I make my New Year backdrop interactive? An interactive backdrop keeps guests entertained and ensures your party is memorable. 1. Photo booth props. Provide hats, glasses, and signs with fun New Year slogans. Set up a camera on a tripod with a timer for easy group photos. Include a custom hashtag for social media sharing. 2. Countdown clock display. Use a large clock prop to mark the countdown. Make it functional with real-time movement or LED numbers. Position it as the centerpiece of the backdrop. 3. Message wall. Use a chalkboard or whiteboard for guests to write resolutions. Offer colorful markers or chalk for customization. Incorporate their messages into the final party photo. Don't miss out. Check the description for more similar videos to level up your party game. How do I create a theme-based New Year backdrop? A theme-based backdrop adds a cohesive and stylish touch to your New Year party. 1. Hollywood glam theme. Use red and gold as the primary colors. Add a VIP or red carpet sign along with stanchions and ropes. Include a backdrop of stars with each guest's name for a personal touch. 2. Winter Wonderland theme. Use white and icy blue tones for a frosty vibe. Add fake snow, snowflakes, and icicle lights. Incorporate plush textures like faux fur or velvet for coziness. 3. Retro disco theme. Use disco balls, neon signs, and vibrant colors. Hang vinyl records as part of the backdrop. Include metallic tassels for a funky finish. Enjoying these creative ideas? Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this. What are the top backdrop trends for New Year 2024? Staying on trend ensures your New Year setup feels fresh and modern. 1. Neon sign backdrops. Use custom neon signs with messages like 2024 goals. Pair them with lush greenery or floral accents. Choose adjustable brightness for flexibility. 2. Minimalist backdrops. Opt for monochromatic palettes like all white or metallic shades. Use clean, geometric designs for a chic look. Keep decorations subtle yet impactful. 3. Eco-friendly backdrops. Incorporate sustainable materials like bamboo, jute, or recycled paper. Use potted plants or biodegradable decorations. Encourage guests to reuse or take pieces home as keepsakes. Want these trendy items? Check the description for products as seen in this video. What are some easy DIY ideas for a New Year backdrop? DIY backdrops are a cost-effective and creative way to set the tone for your celebration. They allow you to personalize your space while sticking to a budget. 1. Balloon arch backdrop. Use metallic or numbered balloons to highlight the new year. Create a gradient or themed color arch for a sophisticated look. Add fairy lights for a magical glow. 2. Streamer wall backdrop. Use metallic streamers in silver, gold, or black for a classic New Year's look. Layer streamers to create depth and dimension. Add a Happy New Year banner on top for extra flair. 3. Photo collage backdrop. Use photos from the past year to create a personalized collage. Arrange them in the shape of the upcoming year's numbers. Add glitter or LED lights around the collage to make it pop. Love these ideas? Hit that like button and share it with your friends planning their New Year's party. What budget-friendly options are available for a stunning New Year backdrop? You don't need a hefty budget to create a breathtaking backdrop. 1. Paper decorations. Make paper fans, rosettes, or pinwheels for a colorful effect. Use black, gold, and white paper for a classic New Year palette. Arrange them in clusters for added depth. 2. Reuse old decorations. Repurpose last year's banners, lights, and ornaments. Combine them with new items for a fresh look. Use paint or glitter to give old items a makeover. 3. DIY crafts. Use everyday items like cardboard, tissue paper, or string lights. Create your own Happy New Year sign with stencils. Experiment with layering for a more sophisticated design. Ready to shop for materials? Check the description for the products featured in this video. What materials can I use to create a glamorous New Year backdrop? The right materials can elevate your New Year backdrop, turning it into a showstopper with minimal effort. 1. Sequin fabrics or curtains. Hang gold or silver sequin fabrics for a shimmery effect. Combine it with sheer curtains for a soft, elegant look. Use clips or a tension rod for easy setup. 2. Metallic foil curtains. These are perfect for adding a sleek, reflective finish. Layer 2 or more colors to create a unique design. Pair with fairy lights to amplify the glow. 3. Glitter cardstock or boards. Create custom cutouts like stars, moons, or numbers. Use them as accents on the backdrop. Mix glitter boards with plain black or white for contrast. Got your favorite material in mind? Let us know in the comments below. As we explored these New Year backdrop ideas, we hope you found inspiration to make your party unforgettable. Whether you're going for DIY, theme-based designs, or on-trend setups, the perfect backdrop is just a few steps away. So, which idea will you try this year? Share your plans in the comments below, and don't forget to capture every magical moment. Here's to an amazing New Year 2024.